Welcome to the Tech Pro Max channel. Apple continues to surprise. First, the company decided to update the iPhone software over a cellular network in iOS 15.4, and now it became known about another important innovation. A recent support document says that Apple Watch firmware can be restored at home for the first time. Previously, this required contacting an authorized service center. If watches running Watch OS 8.5 or later detect a major software glitch, a red exclamation mark will appear on the screen. What to do next? First, make sure your iPhone is nearby. iPhone must be running iOS 15.4 or later and have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth turned on. Second, put your Apple Watch on the charger. Third, double-click the side button, the flat button under the digital crown on your Apple Watch. Fourth, follow the instructions that appear on the iPhone. If nothing happens, try reconnecting to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi instead of 5 GHz. That's all for now. Like and subscribe to the channel. See you!